I really love these old Ironheads. And I guess I really love these old Ironheads because, nobody loves these old Ironheads. And they sit around in people's basements, or excuse me, in people's garages. And, somebody along the line, like sacrificed to get it. I mean, even if it was $1,000, $2,000, somewhere along the line, somebody sacrificed to get it. And the thing about Ironheads, rather than big twins, is that these are people who probably didn't have money to get them. And what happens is they get in a condition where they're not running, and then people don't want to get rid of them, and they sit for years and years and years in the garage, neglected, because the thing had value to somebody somewhere, and somebody sacrificed to buy it. And then it, broke down, or somebody tried to work on it, couldn't get it fixed, and couldn't afford to take it somewhere and have it fixed, and then they sit. And they sit and they sit and they sit, and then they get a whole bunch of new problems. This one wasn't nearly that bad. I mean, it had sat for more than 5 years, And so I think that's what's so cool about these old bikes is there's 2 different nuts on the back side of these bolts. I was going across there with the same size, and it's like, oh no, it's not the same size. And of course, if you want to take this backrest off, maybe. I think you have to, you got to take the whole turn signal off with it.